In this video, we showcase how we created the moving NavMesh demo video shown a couple of weeks ago. We have already created a spline that the ship follows through the level. As you will see, setting up a moving NavMesh follows the same workflow as a non-moving NavMesh. Under the hood, it uses the same pipeline to generate the NavMesh. The only difference being the reference frame is tied to the moving actor. Here we have created a profile that contains the NavMesh's configuration, and we are now creating a bounding volume wherein the geometry used to create the NavMesh is collected. We use multiple bounding volumes to ensure that geometry is not collected on parts of the ship where we do not want actors to navigate. With the moving NavMesh set up, we now create a non-moving NavMesh on the floating island where we want the ship to dock. As previously noted, the process is identical. We create a new NavMesh, choose a profile, create a bounding volume, and generate it. With both NavMeshes set up, we now set up auto context generation. This will create nav links which actors can use to maneuver on and off the ship. We move the ship to test the automatically generated links. We create profiles for a climb and drop maneuver by setting properties like the minimum and maximum climb and drop distance. These are added to the NavMesh as a component, and you can see the resulting pink links on the ship and between the ship and the floating island. We now set up the ship to link and unlink with the island. Linking merges the moving NavMesh with the island's NavMesh. Unlinking separates them. If you want amazing navigation technology for the game that is easy to set up, scalable and performant, then please reach out to us.